Hello guys, it's Maruna here, and today we're going to make a beaded necklace, and we're going to use beads, and also we're going to use a charm, and I've got this one here, and I think it looks really nice. And we're going to use scissors to cut the string or the wool or whatever we'll use. And then we're going to use some sewing string. So let's get started. So first up, you're going to need to do is get some and then measure it around your neck. Now I want to make one long enough to fit me and my mom. So I'll get like maybe about this much. Let me see. This will probably fit my mom because it's until here. So I'll do it about this much, and then instead of ripping it off with my teeth, just cut. Come on, cut. Come on, will you? What's wrong with my scissors? Does not want to cut. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is pick my beads, and I might make a pattern. So let me open this like that. Come on, my bead box doesn't want to open. And today I might do a video with a new toy I've got. Don't know. So if you look at my channel, you might see another new video. Okay. So first I'll have to think what pattern I'm gonna make. I also have this leaf charm, but today I'm going to use this other charm here. So I'm gonna put this back in here. And I might use, which ones will go nice with it? Maybe this light pink. And no. And green. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm gonna use green, pink, pink, green. Yeah, green, pink, green, pink. Okay, so first what I usually do is tie a knot right here so it won't fall, so the beads won't fall off. And I'll tie it a few times, so I'll make sure it's pretty tight and it's pretty big, so that the beads won't actually fall off. Come on, I'm gonna put my finger. Okay, there's 2 knots. And I do a few knots for these. Gosh. Okay, that should be good enough. I done 3 knots here. Let's see. If one bead falls off, then I'll do a little bit more. So let me just test it for now. And I'll put my hand at the bottom just in case. Come on. Fall down, will you? Yep, it definitely goes through. So I'll do a few more. If you have an elastic band, not like an elastic band like the string, which is really elastic, like stretchy, then I recommend using that more than this, because you have to make a few knots. But if you use this, you have to make sure you do the knots onto each other, not like I'm doing now. Come on. It made a big thing here. Doesn't matter, the beads won't fall off. So that's gonna be good enough. Right. Let's start putting our beads on. And only to test it this time, I'm sure it won't fall, but just make sure it won't fall. So, go. Right, that's gonna be good enough. And I'll put the charm like through the middle when we get to the middle. And what I'll actually do is kind of like make kind of like 2 strips and then fold it like that. It's easier for me. Green, green, come on, why can't I find the greens today? And if you're wondering where you can get this from, you can get yours from Tesco, or you can also maybe find it at Smith's, but I think you can find it. Here. Okay, yeah. Well, sorry guys, I didn't knock any on the bed. Good. Okay, so now I need green. Pink. And I'm not gonna do this entire video like this. I'm gonna do in 2 parts. So this is gonna be part 1, and I'm gonna do part 2, or maybe part 3. Okay, guys. So better see you in part 2.